Oh God. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the moment you've all been waiting for. I'm on my way up to Tony's right now, and we're gonna go and collect his Nissan 350z. Mental! I'm so happy for him. I'm so happy for him. He's wanted one for such a long time, and he's made it happen, and he's done it. Nissan 350z. What do you mean? This is madness. This is actually madness. I just wish we were picking up my Nissan 350z, but my time will come. My time will come. How the bloody hell are you? What's he seeing you here? I know, it's mental. It is the day. It is the day.
Yeah, it's been about 5 days since I decided to go and have a gander at a 350z and decided to buy the 350z. I've just paid him now, tonight, about 10 minutes ago. So we've transaction gone through, he's texted me back, got the money, everything's ready for me there. So it's literally now, we're just on our way in Jay's car, legend picking me up and driving me. So we're about 20 minutes away from actually owning a Z in my name with the logbook and the keys and driving away in my dream car.
Madness. Madness.
Just absolute mad. Get the car, get it in my name, get the logbook, get it home, on the ramp, have a look underneath it, change my pants. I can't wait. Got the bloody fog on, and you can't see.
They're not going to see that.
They're not going to see.
It's hot. It is hot.
Some mini garages over there.
Fuck mini garage.
Fuck mini garage.
Fuck off mini garage. Fuck off mini.
Fair fuck minis. Mini suck dick. He wants a mini anyway.
Not me.
Because I've had such a bullshit day at work, it's not sunk in of I'm gonna be
what you're actually doing. Right now.
What I'm doing now.
Well, let me just fill you in, Cut. You're going to pick up your Nissan 350z. Yours. You're going to go and pick it up now. You're going to drive it home to your house, bro.
It's surreal moments. If you're not a car person, you won't understand. I was big into the games and stuff as a kid, but you know you need for speed.
The Need for Speed Underground 2 cover car.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
You're controlling that car. When what one? 10?
This might not be the best example because you can get a Corsa C on that game.
I rocked the Corsa.
I had a 6 litre, bro. Style rating like 9.7.
Did it have neons though?
Fucking right, it had like the end ones, you know, like the flashy fuckers.
That's what you needed.
I'm so excited!
It's kicking in a bit now. I must admit now. It's like, yeah, now I'm getting excited.
Right, so we're here. It's Z time.
It's Z time.
Are you ready?
I'm not. Okay.
No.
I'm not. No.
Go and get it done, son.
Do it.
Go and get it done.
Do it.
I'll wait here.
You wait here. Alright, well you.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn, son. Damn, son. Damn, son. Oh my god, it looks so fucking good. Mate. Mate.
That's a lot faster than I remember it being.
Mate.
Listen, give me a little jack test.
Mate.
Right off.
Is it real yet?
Nope.
Lol, 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 lol. I mean, not lol, because I want one of them. This is actually mental, right? I know it might not seem much, and you've probably seen better things on YouTube before, and better cars, but Me and Tony have been friends for a long time. Like, a long time. And we've always spoke about getting these kind of cars, and he's actually got one. That's a massive deal. Madness. Well then.
You're looking at a very, very happy man. Can't drive something like that and not smile. It's one of them. You're constantly smiling, like looking back, doing 25 mile an hour. I've never done 25 mile an hour in a 30.
I can tell you were just enjoying the experience.
Yeah, I weren't looking at the rev count, and there's a digital gauge.
Speeder.
But yeah, it's like you weren't looking down, you were just cruising along. I turned the music off 3 or 4 times. I'm like, no, I don't need music. I don't need music. Honestly, the attention you get from not even car enthusiasts, but people like.
In it, I saw so many people looking at you.
It's such a head turner. It's such a good feeling.
Fuck!
Think of that with a big tasty 3-inch on the back of it.
Oh, it's gonna happen.
Pure joy, pure joy. There's never known happiness like that. Owning that car, not driving, owning.
You're a knobhead though. I was quite content in getting a little MX-5.
Yeah, I found him quite nice. You know, next door neighbour's got a quite nice MX-5 for sale, quite clean. And
more on that later.
Yeah, but yeah.
More on that later. You know, YouTubers and that.
Yeah.
What they like.
I was just gonna say, I'll get out and put all this stuff in boot. I don't need to.
Just throw it in.
Just throw it in. The power of this thing, George, is bloody insane.
I'm ready for it.
I don't think you're ready for this gel.
See me! Oh my god, it sounds so fucking sick. It sounds so good. Oh my god, that naturally aspirated. Do you know what I mean? Oh my god, man. Oh my god, I'm so jealous.
It's a proper Japanesey muscly.
Yeah. I know, I've got to get in that. Oh, fuck's sake, man. Fuck's sake.
Oh. Why did
Oh god. Right, so we've just got her back.
15-year-old car. Oil leaks? None. Nothing. Not the size of oil filter. It's a tiny little wimpy one. Been low, wasn't it? Oh well, I'll say been low.
Oh god, aye.
Getting low, getting low.
That's pretty mad, isn't it?
That's the piece you can get actually. That's the kit.
From there?
Yeah, from there, so cats are left in. From there.
All the way back.
All the way back.
It don't look bad though, does it?
She's rusty, but it's just a lot of surface. This is the bit that goes on them, that you
Yeah.
can bolt on, bolt off.
Well, that's not a problem then, is it? It's a bit corroded, that, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's not corroded,
that's
it's
the
just...
thing. It's like you look at that and you think, oh, that's fucked.
Yeah.
But that's a bit of, that's a surface, and then underneath that it's absolutely solid. See, I might order one, they're only like 125 quid. So
Yeah.
I might, when exhaust, if I do exhaust, when I do exhaust, for say 125, I might just
Get one of them. You'll be taking it off anyway, won't
Yeah,
you? So
that's the thing. It's like if I get it, if the bolts and stuff are all right. They don't look fucked. I mean that one does because it looks like they've been melted on. So it does. Yeah, I've just cut the fucker off.
yeah.
Because they've used nylon nuts. That why would you use nylon nuts on something that gets hot? But I tell thee what, I'm bloody impressed.
Are you happy?
I'm fucking happy, me. Like this anti-roll bar, surface rust, clean that off and blitz it. If not, buy a new one.
Yeah. And you'll enjoy doing it as well.
Yeah. All this stuff. Look how well it's lasted for fucking 15
Innit?
years. 15 years this has been on the car. The prop shaft on that. Bitch!
It's a fat shaft.
It's bigger than Land Rover shafts, isn't it? Unbloody real. Unreal. Driving that car as my own car is just a different world completely. like I say, the test driving bit, it's power this thing has compared to a 2 litre turbo diesel. It's unreal. I say there is little bits like here. We've got the both wiper arms. They want to tighten up a bit. There's a bit of stone chips. Headlights fading a little bit. They can clean up. A bit of stone chips here. But it's. I got a Nissan.
Sum up. Final words.
Buy a Z. Best fun I've had. Nothing. I've never owned a piece of metal with wheels on that has made me that happy. The head turner, that's just cruising along 25 mile an hour it's unreal. It's everyone's not waving, but you know, well, no, we're gonna wave up another Z owner. Cheeky red Z just has attitude about it. Such
presence.
Best investment I've ever made.
Nice. There it is. Tony's now got a Z, and he's well happy about it. You're probably going to be seeing a lot more of Tony and his Z on the channel. Look how happy, that is a happy bloke.
You don't get much happier than that, Josh.
That is a happy man. So it's been an exciting day. I can't believe it.
It's just getting real.
I can't wait for my car pickup video.
Yeah.
Whatever it may be.
Yeah, there's options.
There is, but we'll leave it there. Here she is, the new member of Tony's family. Like.
We've seen a lot more.
Oh, will you? Right. See you on the next one. Ciao.